Pamela Anderson wowed as she stepped out in New York wearing a stunning white dress today. The 54-year-old was making an appearance on Good Morning America to discuss her upcoming Broadway stint. 4. Pamela Anderson looked amazing as she stepped out in YorkCredit, splash. 4. The star wore a white dress for the appearance credit, theImageDirect.com. Looking very elegant, she wore the off-the-shoulder frock featuring a daring thigh-high split teamed with a pair of heels. She highlighted her natural beauty with smoky eye makeup and wore her blonde hair across one shoulder. Pamela will be taking on the role Roxy in Chicago and previously told Vogue, "The story and my life are so parallel. I always say, 30 years of therapy or just one Broadway show, then I'll be fine. I feel like it's a really empowering story. It's time. I'm doing it for a lot of reasons. I have my whole life to draw from." Her Broadway debut comes after it was revealed she is making a show with Netflix about her life. She had no involvement with the Hulu miniseries Pam and Tommy, but is keen to share her own story instead. Pamela posted an image of a note to her official Instagram page revealing the news. The note read, "My life, 1,000 imperfections, 1,000,000 misperceptions." Also written on the note, "Wicked, wild, and lost. Nothing to live up to. I can only surprise you, not a victim, but a survivor and alive to tell the real story." On the same day, Netflix reposted Pamela's note to their Twitter page and tweeted, "Pamela Anderson is ready to tell her story in a new documentary." The platform added, "The film, which has been in the making for several years, will feature the pop culture icon setting the record straight as she looks back on her professional path and her personal journey." 4. Pamela is gearing up for her Broadway debut credit, splash. 4. Pamela is looking forward to her next role credit, Getty. "We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.